determining relative electronegativity or ordering. So that means putting things in increasing or decreasing order, or putting things from highest to smallest or largest to smallest. So here it says arrange the following elements by decreasing electronegativity. So we have 5 elements: Y, SR, SE, CU, and S. So these 5 elements we have to put in order from biggest or largest electronegativity to smallest, because that means it's decreasing in electronegativity. So let's find the one that has the biggest electronegativity out of the Y, SR, SE, CU, and S group. So when I look at a periodic table, I have to remember that when I move from left to right, I increase my electronegativity, and when I go from top to bottom, I decrease my electronegativity, because we don't have that much attractive force. So as I go to the right, so I'm going to look for elements that are closer to the right. I see that SE and S are to the right, but which one of them is bigger? We have to remember that when we go the opposite way, so when I go from bottom to top, it actually increases. So we know that S is the largest one of our 5 elements. So S is going to start us off. S is going to start us off. And so I can go back to my problem and see which one of these actually starts with S, because we know that we're supposed to start with the biggest. So make sure you read the problem, make sure you see that it says decreasing electronegativity, so you make sure you're right. And notice that A, C, D, and E are all knocked out, and we're left with B. So let's make sure B is correct. B, then we go to SE. Correct, because that's the next smallest one, because it's furthest to the right, so that means has a pretty high electronegativity. But as we go down, it decreases. Then when we go to the right here, when we go from right to left, we also know that it decreases, because it's doing the opposite of what it does when it goes from left to right. So SE, then we have CU, and then we can move down to Y and SR that go from right to left. Y is bigger than SR, has a bigger electronegativity than SR, because we know that when we go from left to right, it increases. So B is the correct answer.